How can you make your camera roll private on the iPhone? Let's talk about it. If you are new here on this channel, consider subscribing as I have plenty of videos coming up and I don't want you to miss them. So the camera roll or the Photos app can be either made private entirely by holding down on the icon and clicking on Require Face ID. This will put it all behind this authentication screen, so you will not even be able to access the photos unless you scan your face or type in your passcode. But that is, of course, for all of the images. If you want to choose some specific images to be private, you can utilize some different features. For example, there is the hide option. So you can locate your images as usual, make them go full screen, and if you select the three dots for more options, you will have the ability to hide it away. So you can just hide it like this, and it will put it into the hidden photos folder, sort of. So then if you go to the collections and find the utilities, you'll see the hidden photos, and there you as well kind of lock them away because I have to scan my face to access this folders of photos, right? But it's not generally for every single picture, but for only those which I have selected to be hidden. So I hope it makes sense. This is the difference or the two main options of how I would do this. So let me know in the comments if you managed to successfully make it work on your device. Thanks a lot for watching. I really appreciate your support, and I'll see you later in the next videos as well.